Let's kick off today's video with a chair chat. But as I'm sure you've noticed, this is slightly different than our normal chair chats, and that's because it's like 3 degrees outside right now. So I'm in my little Jeep lair office. This is where I do my editing, and I'm sitting right by the wood stove because that's the best place to be right now. A few weeks ago, my daughter went with me. We met up with a few other friends and went to AOAA with the new Hot Rod Jeep. So let's check out the footage from that day. There were 5 of us. It was warmer than today, but it was still pretty cold. My fingers were pretty well froze by the end of the day. We did get a little snow, but we had a lot of fun, and the heated seats in the new Jeep were awesome. Everyone's Jeeps worked really well. We only had one minor hiccup and one slightly more major hiccup throughout the day. The white Jeep had a little distributor problems early on, but we fixed that up and got back on the trail in no time. And then Nate's Cj2a had a bit of a more serious failure. He broke the rear U-bolt and the whole axle shifted, and it took a little bit of work to get it back in place. We used the winch on the new Jeep to kind of hold it on the hill, and then he used a piece of chain to repair the broken U-bolt. And I kind of thought he might want to get back to the parking lot, but he said no, it's all good, and he finished the whole day of wheeling pretty much normally with only one U-bolt on the driver's side. So lots of fun, and we all made it back to the parking lot.
Once and bring it over to me. I think you're too far over. Go ahead a little more. All right, now come hard to me. There you go. You're right there. Come on forward. Yeah, that's it there. Come forward to me a little bit. There it is. Excellent. Oh, no, stop. Stand. Can you straighten out or it won't let you? Okay. Say wiggle the feet. Woo! Whoa! All right, straighten your tire out and climb on the driver's side. Get back up. Now you can get it. Now you can back up. You got plenty of clearance. Hair down.
Watch out, don't stand in front of me, that's not up.
Here was that place we had before. I think that was the one we went on to see when Gary's not under it, you're going to have to go. Gary, your rock placement is worse than mine. Don't stop! Don't stop! 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 Stop!
Last thing he said was don't stop.
Right, yeah, when you get to like a level spot, when someone says don't stop, that's usually a good time to... There you go. Go on. Now go ahead. Go ahead. Good. Right over. You're out. Even break a sweat. It's the tire.
High grip tires.
I'm here.
I know. So rude. Yeah,
up.
looking at that
I
one.
went up this way. I didn't have any problem.
Give us your little.
Yeah.
I wasn't hitting the wheels.
That's what I was trying to get to.
Back up me.
That was on the
On the rock.
He found it.
Doesn't get past that non-existent.
They make gears for those. It's fucking.
Now you look like me.
Let it fall. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it,
Keep going or no? There's a little stump. Let's get ready to run behind the tree.
Yep.
Oh, go! Don't do that! I'm tired. You're gonna go right into the tree.
Yep.
Oh, it's
Exactly the same. Except that your side piece isn't on top of that.
Put a rock in there underneath this
against the
tire.
fender.
Yeah. Protect the fender with a
Back
rock.
up.
Oh, it's that hole. Ah, you had it right there, Marsh.
Hit a hand parking brake.
What's that?
You made it farther than Jared.
I don't think it has regular brakes.
I'll bring it to your house.
Hole right there, Marsh.
Turn the radio on and hit the speakers to that.
It doesn't work.
It'll drop you down.
Almost.
On the passenger side. Come this way hard, Seth. Did they find a way through?
What's that?
Did they find a way through?
Whoa.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to spring and getting this Jeep out more, making a lot more videos, and just getting to enjoy the Jeeps without freezing. So I hope you're doing well where you are. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.